The program exceeded my expectations. I didn't really know what to expect coming into this. It wasn't really like a normal internship. It was like a whole world opening up. It was a pretty revelatory experience, just learning the fights for workers' rights that happen every single day without us even really knowing about it.
My internship's been at the Writers Guild of America East, and so before this I was bartending, and now I'm helping with the first writer's strike in 15 years.
I was with 79's, a construction laborers union. I got to see a little bit of everything, you know. I was out in the field, I was doing worker outreach, I was building campaigns, doing the research end of it.
You know, I did everything from phone banking to one-on-one conversations with members, or non-members rather, to spreadsheets, data entry, research.
100% recommend this program. It is a hidden gem. It is fantastic. All of the support you get along with the classes and the internship, career services are amazing. The writing center is incredible. I felt supported the entire way, and I felt like the teachers, the staff, the administrators really wanted me to succeed and were here for me for whatever problem I had.
It's one of the only, programs of its kind. It's at a public institution, CUNY. You get to intern at a union and see what that experience is like and work with real union organizers, and there's not a lot of other ways to do that if you're not yourself organizing your workplace. So it's just a really great opportunity, and you get the camaraderie and the solidarity from your cohort. That's really important too.